Hi, this is Joan of Health, and welcome to my channel for women over 50. Welcome to the Salt Showdown, understanding the differences between good and bad salts. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of salts and explore the differences between good and bad salts. From table salt to sea salt and everything in between, we'll cover the health benefits, cooking uses, and flavor profiles of each salt. Join us as we break down the myths and truths about salt and empower you to make informed decisions about the salts you use in your cooking and how they affect your health, both good and bad. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Hello, and welcome to the lesson where I talk about good salts and bad salts and what you need to know. So there's a negative connotation when it comes to salt. Everyone thinks that it's bad for you, it causes hypertension and other diseases. But here's the 411. Salt contains over 80 key minerals that our body needs. And you want to avoid refined salt, which is table salt, because it's been bleached, baked, processed, and demineralized. And this salt is in our table salt, and it's in refined foods, it's in packaged foods, it's at the restaurants that we eat at. This is what is causing heart disease, hypertension, and all kinds of illnesses. So you want to get rid of it. You want to have unrefined crystal salts like pink Himalayan. Mountain salts are now preferable to sea salts because research has been detecting microplastics in certain sea salts. So here's some good ways that salt is good for you. If you're feeling faint or dizzy when you exercise, you may need some salt. If you've got low blood pressure or foggy head, have some good salt. If you're feeling exhausted, have a glass of water with a half a teaspoon of salt. Also, muscle spasms happen a lot of times when people are low on salt. So, salt is good for you. Your adrenals benefit from good salt. It's nonsense that salt is bad for your heart. It's all about the source, right? Good salt versus bad salt. No more refined salt. So just cut out the table salt and switch to Himalayan salt. See you on the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching. This is Joan of Health. Please like and share this video, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.